Retired Air Marshal Henry Muchena has led a group of Liberation War veterans in challenging the proposed Constitutional Amendment Bill Number 3, warning that allowing MPs alone to alter the Constitution betrays the very ideals they fought for. Salabina Mashu Kwaruda Pangwa Tiona Kuti, this is the end of Mnangagwa's Constitutional Amendment bid that was subscribed on the bill icon. Tipina Panapa Museum breaking news of Danyora JT. In a strongly worded submission dated 12 March 2026 and sent to the Clerk of Parliament at Mount Hampstead, the former commanders insist the proposed Constitutional Amendment Bill Number 3 must be decided by the people through a national referendum, not by members of the Parliament alone. The document signed on behalf of the group by retired Air Marshal Henry Muchena argues that Zimbabwe's Liberation War was fought to secure the principles of power to the people. The veterans say allowing legislators to alter the key constitutional provisions without a public vote undermines that promise. In course, we do not take up the arms to deliberate the country only for fundamental changes to our supreme law to be decided by a handful of politicians in a house without a mandate from the masses. The submission reads in part, the Constitution belongs to all Zimbabweans, not any single party or individual, declaring loyalty to ZANU-PF must but warning against political opportunism. Ex-combatants urged Parliament to halt the current process and let citizens have the final say. While they did not specify which provisions of Amendment Bill Number 3 they find most objectionable, sources close to the group suggest concerns over presidential powers, tenure limits, and the judicial appointments have triggered the intervention. The move represents a significant rupture within the ruling party's support base. War veterans have historically acted as champions of political shock troops, defending the party and its leaders against internal and external challenges. This public defiance signals growing unease among the Liberation War fraternity over the direction of governance under the current administration. Retired Air Marshal Muchena and his colleagues have stopped short of threatening action should their demands be ignored, but the tone of the submission leaves little room for ambiguity. The people must decide. Anything less is a betrayal of the struggle, the document concludes. Toma developments aripo zvabva zvadhakwa muri yezimbabwe amene kuti zvigananda zvichatora sei this letter yonyorwa ichiendeswa ku the parliament. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chondikwanzi VP Costa Notwenga havasisiri vega manje navo vakuwana vanhu vari kuvasapota vari kuvasubscribe like on the bell icon.